I know, I'm just saying.
Put it straight. I've been around non-stop the whole time. It's starting to hurt. No.
Yeah, then you're gonna complain how you don't want to go
Why would you do that?
Huh? If it gets hard to reel, that's the whole point.
Well, why would I want to do that? Because I can't go fast enough.
Just
Why would I want to
get your bait in.
I want to get my bait in faster. Then why would I do this? I can just.
Shut up.
It's easier on your arm, man.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. That's the whole
It
point.
hurts because you got to go faster.
No, but you're supposed to take a break and. Oh my God.
Oh,
You're ridiculous. Just go. Did you guys leave it down there?
No, it's in the cart.
Okay.
Don't worry, I got it back.
You got it?
Everyone just threw it in the sand.
Someone holding the line.
Cody's dad's doing it again.
Dad, let go of the line. I had the freaking loose preset. Look. Oh.
Alright, did you just put slack out when you're fighting a fish?
I barely.
He's not gonna mouth. Yeah, he's not foul hooked.
I told you I hooked it.
Oh, look. Hey, dude, that's a good hook. That's right in the corner of his mouth.
Yank real hard, real quick. There you go.
I just want to side kick.
Alright, Hunter, look at me, look at me. Hunter.
It is a nice sandbar.
That's what I want to get. Just get good pictures.
Oh, we gotta run.
Come here.
I got it. I got it.
Hunter, don't get bit.
I got it, Hunter. You're good.
Come right here, bro. I can't see because of the shadow.
I got a D-layer, boys.
Whoa.
Just take this dog. Alright. I got you.
Cody's like, I'm gonna crank it a little.
He pulls.
Oh!
All right, I'm gonna name it Nicole.
Oh man, he
Oh.
stopped again.
Who's getting in the way?
Let me get from the side. I get a side shot. Is it turning at all, or is it just going straight in still? Yeah, but say there's your knot.
Got mono.
How much mono you got on there?
400 yards.
400 yards.
Tiger?
Nice.
Yeah, I see its tail.
Damn, John.
Having a little trouble there? There we go. Thank you.
Hey, John over here. Give me the
Remora.
light.
Oh, he's throwing it up now.
It looks like he did a corner hook.
It's corner hook. Good hook set. Alright, side shot.
Right here, in his pocket.
Alright, I'm getting
In
good
his
shots.
pocket, it's
So.
shaped.
Cool.
It's on the D hooker. That's 88 inches. 7 and a half. No.
Yeah.
Seven?
Hey, just get a good picture. I got you.